Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETFs on Fidelity. First, you'll need to open a Fidelity brokerage account or log into your existing one. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes online. Once logged in, make sure your account is funded with enough cash to cover your desired ETF purchases. You can transfer funds from a bank account or another brokerage. Understanding the various ETF types will help you make informed decisions. Next, you'll want to research and select the right ETFs for your portfolio. Fidelity offers robust research tools to help you find suitable options. You can filter by various criteria like asset class, sector, and expense ratio, which is the annual fee charged by the ETF. Always review the ETF's prospectus. It provides crucial details about its holdings, investment strategy, and potential risks. This step is vital for making informed investment choices. Now let's place your order. From the Fidelity platform, navigate to the Trade section. Enter the ticker symbol of the ETF you've chosen and select Buy. You'll then need to choose an order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a maximum purchase price. Finally, specify the exact number of shares you want to buy. Double-check all details before proceeding. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details of your order. This includes the ETF ticker, the number of shares, the order type, and the estimated cost. Once you're confident everything is correct, confirm the transaction to execute your ETF purchase. After your order is filled, you can monitor your portfolio on Fidelity to track the performance of your new ETF. Congratulations, you've successfully bought an ETF.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.